Sometimes when we're stressed out, it's because we're resisting, and it really helps to flow with what's on in life. But that can be hard. Stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to do a 5-minute guided meditation on how to flow with life's challenges. Hi, I'm Shirley Archer, your mindful living coach. I'm here to help you say no to overwhelm and yes to clarity, peace, and health. Let's begin. Sit comfortably with a lengthened spine. Place your hands in your lap or on your thighs. Close your eyes or look down with a soft, unfocused gaze, relaxing any muscles around the eyes. Begin with 3 intentional deep breaths, inhaling deeply and exhaling completely, breathing through the nose and mouth, or just through the nose or mouth, whatever is comfortable for you. After you finish your conscious breaths, release the breath and just draw your attention to how your body moves with the breath. Make no effort to control it. Just notice, is this an in breath? Is this an out breath? Observing, where do I feel this breath? In the nose, throat, chest, belly. Noticing the inhalation and the exhalation. Observing the rhythm and flow of the breath. And as you continue to observe the flow of the breath, imagine in your mind's eye a body of water. Whatever body of water that you love, a favorite stream, a river, a lake, a spot at the beach, just visualize this water, the memory of how it flows, moving constantly with its own rhythm. And allow yourself to be immersed in the scene of the water, the freshness of the air. Perhaps there's some moistness, any sounds of water as it moves, sounds of waves or rippling or gurgling. Notice the fluid strength of water, even though it conforms to whatever path it follows, it is strong. And imagine yourself as a body of water, flooding your entire being. We are 60% water. So connecting with that fluid energy within. And allow that fluid energy to fill you from the soles of your feet up through the legs, through the hips, through the torso, out through the shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, up through the top of your head. Imagine yourself flowing like water, full of fluid energy. And ask yourself, where in your body or in your life is something blocked? Where do you need a little more flow or a little more energy to keep things moving smoothly? And as you continue to breathe, allow the fluid energy to bathe those parts of your body and those parts of your life that need to flow, that need to move. Any part of your life that can use some extra support to move with ease, to flow with grace, to maintain its power, but also to keep moving and flowing. And breathe into that sense, nothing to control or do, but simply observe your ability to move with natural ease, rhythm, and flow, like water. Noticing how it feels to breathe in and breathe out, and allowing yourself to rest in this feeling of flowing energy that is a part of you and that you can access at any time that you need. Whenever you face any situation, remember you are water. You have power and you have grace and you can flow and still be yourself. Maintain your identity, yet move with life's circumstances. Feel that inside you and know that's a part of you that you can access at any time simply by getting quiet, centering yourself, and connecting with this sense of fluid energy. Breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Very gently move your fingers, roll your wrists, open and close the fingers. Open the eyes if the eyes are closed. Do whatever feels good. Some nice stretches. Oh, it feels so yummy. Bring your awareness and energy back up into the room, back up into your body, feeling energized with water's fluid strength, knowing that you have the power to move through whatever life presents to you by tapping into this part of you. Thank you so much for sharing this guided meditation with me. I hope you join me again, and I wish you a wonderful day. Thank you.